The Director General of Zimbabwe Security Service, the Central Intelligence Organization, Fulton Mangwanya, is being fired with immediate effect by President Mnangagwa. Sadapena mashoko zere ambuda chitauka panguva ine unyatsoonekwa kunzi hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Vanhu vakutotyira nana VP Kosanochwenga kuti unogona kungomuka kwatongonzi has been fired with immediate effect. Sadapena mashoko nestatement rokuda chireleaswa panguva ino from the office of the president. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipira wana mwamuda nyuka mchinzi Mangwanya is reported to have been removed following intense infighting within the inner circle of Mnangagwa's government. He also faced allegations of nepotism, including claims that he hired relatives and placed them in influential position within the organization. Further allegations suggested that he took a woman believed to be his lover on official international trips alongside the president and senior directors. They were quietly complaining about the alleged abuse of office. He has been replaced by Zimbabwe's former ambassador to China, PACHIGARO. Ndoma developments aripo tataona nestatement nomuda chinyorwa tichinzi Zimbabwe press statement, appointment of the Director General of the President Department. In terms of Section 2261 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, His Excellency President Comrade Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa is appointed Mr. PACHIGARO as the Director General, Presidency Department. The appointment is with immediate effect, inserted by Dr. M. Rushwaya, Secretary to the President and the Cabinet. Normal developments are whatever the reasons might be, but Pangwa ine people just know kuti the stakes amnomira zvakanaka. Bila kuma section medu zovhura imba to leave on subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.